Hey Margaux, what's that? It's
Ball.
it's a Sundot Kulangot.
Yeah, but it looks like a ball.
It's looked like a ball.
Yeah. But
Are you excited to see what's inside?
yeah.
Do you know what's coco jam spread? It's like that, but it's like kulangot. It's tiny. It's tiny like a kulangot. You know what's kulangot? Where do you see kulangot ba?
Langot?
At the nose? On your nose? But is that you can eat what inside? It's like kulangot lang.
Can you open it?
Yeah, you can open.
But later I can eat it.
Oh, it's
Something inside.
something inside.
Hey,
You cannot eat that. Promise you don't eat. What's inside? That's an inside kulangot. It's a small coco jam spread like kulangot. You want to taste it? You cannot taste it because your throat might be inflamed because you're sick. You need to go first to doctor. Okay? You close it and then you will eat when you're getting better, okay?
yes.
Are you okay? Are you happy you see the inside inside Sundot Kulangot?
Yeah, but
Okay, tell them bye-bye. I already saw what inside. Tell them bye-bye.
bye-bye.
I already saw what inside.
Look, it's so big.
There is different size. It's a small, medium, and large. This one is for baby. That's for me.
This
The-
is, but this is too big for me.
Yeah, so this is for you.
So I'm big girl.
If you're if you get,
I hear spice.
you hear some what?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? No, it's a coco jam. It's a sugar cane. You know sugar cane?
Yeah.
It's a what's sugar cane? I will eat this. This is what how it is. Margot, look at me. How do you get your kulangot? Like this. Toink, 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 toink. And then you will eat. Look. It's yummy. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.